Right, little quickie here. In case anyone wonders, I work a normal week like everyone else, so I don't have a lot of time to do these videos, which is why a lot of things get half finished and then maybe get doing later. But anyway, something came in the post. I spent a whole 10 quid on this one. So let's see if we can improve the outside of the car just a tiny little bit. So if your door handles, actually this is wet, you can see the paint starts to peel off these. It's common, happens to all of them. They just start to look a little bit knackered. You can see it's all, apart from the fact it's shiny and wet, they just start to rub off and look kind of naff. You know, from a distance. They would have been black, matte black, I think, when they rolled out the factory. Now they just look a bit sort of. So on a day when you've got your paint all nicely shined up, they tend to stick out a little bit as just letting the outside down a little bit. So let's show you what I've got. Right, postman's been with goodies. Not that. It's an oil filter. Out the way. That's going to be done soon with an engine oil change. Anyway, this little box came. Oh, what's in here? What's in here? Plastic door handle covers. Well, these cost 10 quid, or 11 quid if I'm being precise. I think that's how much they were. If you look, basically they're just gloss black ones. I was thinking about colour coded, and Powerful UK sell colour coded ones which look pretty nice as well. I just didn't want to spend 45, 50 quid on door handle covers. I thought about painting them. Could have painted them instead, but to be honest, the faff would have cost 10 quid probably for a decent can of spray paint, plus all the hassle with taping off the area. So I thought I'd give these a whirl. So essentially all you do, you need to clean up the door handle, give them a bit of a rub down, which is why we've got alcohol cleaner, make sure the surface is prepped nicely, and then there's these adhesive sticky pads, basically just stick them on. So let's give the handles a clean down, see if they look any good. So let's dry the area down first of all, because it's been raining. Now I'm going to give it a little clean, get any surface contaminants and things off there, because we want this to stick nicely. Ugh. It's obviously doing a decent job. I'll tell you something else I'm going to do is heat it as well. It's quite cold out here today. It's not sub-zero for a change, but it is pretty nippy. So I'll put a bit of heat on both parts and it should stick a bit better. Show you as a trial fit. These are the units. This is the one with the keyhole. Obviously works for left and right hand, you just flip it over, you know, whichever way you want it. The idea is that they just sit over the top of your handle. Hopefully stick nicely on and look a bit tidier. I'm not expecting miracles if I'm honest, but it looks better than that I think. Yeah, we'll try it. Worst that can happen is we take it off. So I'd actually decided to lay them out in the box like a little pizza box, heat them up here, and then shut the box and take them over to the car while they're nice and toasty and sticky inside. That's one little tip. Something else, I don't know whether you know, you might have seen this on other how-tos before. Can you see how it's slightly whitened where they've scraped or pulled the ABS from its mould or whatever at the edges? So it's slightly discoloured. Can you see that up close? Like there and there. That sort of discoloration, that whiteness, you can cure that with a bit of heating. So here you can see some of the white discoloration, hopefully. So just apply a bit of heat to it. Can you see? I don't know whether you can see that. Is this by magic? There's a little bit here on the end. Can you see that? You can use this method on plastic, like bumpers on cars that have black ABS bumpers still. Not too much heat, but apply a bit of heat. It brings the oils back to the surface and it makes it black again. It's like magic. Easy, really good little process. And just a little tip in case you buy these cheapo 10 quid door handle covers. Okay, so let's peel and stick. Helps if you've got nails. There we go. Okay. Let's peel these ones off. There's the finished article. It doesn't look too bad, to be honest. I'm of two minds about it, because if you get really close, it's obvious that it's just a plastic piece of crap covering the door handle. But if you're 2 feet away or more, it actually looks quite nice. For 10, 11 quid, it'll do, won't it? Slowly but surely the outside's looking a little bit tidier. Got the others to do now. This one really is a quickie. Bonnet struts. I might have mentioned these before. The bonnet's clonked me on the head a few times because the bonnet struts are failing. They're just really old. So easy. Takes a few minutes, literally. That's an old one. I've already done it. Here is the new one. I've just bought cheapo Chinese ones. Wasn't going to buy proper Land Rover parts for something like this. Let me just show you the other one. So here's the old one on the driver's side. There's nothing to undo, they literally just pop off. So just get something in, pop it out, pop out the top side, and then just snap on the new one. And that is it. Both of them are done. Look at that. That's never going down now. Yeah, job's a good one.